So I put a DVD on a PC and I boot it from the DVD, and you can see on the screen there is many options when you want to start. One thing I want to share with you is the fact that the first time when you want to use this LCD monitor, there is some kind of issue to deal with. So in the first step I will launch that is called the live CD. So the first option, so now the system will start the DVD and it will start to make its job. So it's quite quick, and you see there is, it says that it's unable to enumerate USB device on port 1, and it's the USB port where the screen is connected. So if you want to go further, you have to remove this USB cable. So I did it. So now everything is okay. It will boot from the screen. Hope you can see all the screen. Let me adjust the camera. So it starts all what you need, and you can see it's quite quick. Now it is in graphical mode. Still working, and it's working on a DVD, so it's why it's not so quick compared to a hard drive. Now starting different type of things. We are quite close to the final result, and I will share with you 2 or 3 things that you need to do when you start Linux CNC. So the first one, you have to test the max jitter, and I will show you why. It is used to configure, to set up properly on the machine, and I will also share with you the new graphics utility interface that was created by German guys. I don't remember his name, but it's quite a great job, and the name is GMOKPI, and it's the purpose why I bought this screen, because I want to have the proper thing. So here it is. You arrive on the proper screen. So the first thing you have to do, we'll make a test. So if you go there, application menu, CNC, and then you have Linux CNC latency test, and it's a good way to see how your system is able to deal with. So you see the max jitter here. So when you do the test, you have to let it run for a long time. You have to stress the the PC. So there is 2 or 3 stuff that you can use. For example, they speak about the GLX gears that make some calculations and things like that. You can work also on the YouTube, download, upload the video. It's a good way to stress the machine, and this way, when you stress the machine, you can easily see what kind of jitters you have. So in this case, the result is pretty good. This PC is an Athlon X2, and the result is pretty good on that. And it's an old PC that I have, and I think it's a good candidate for the new CNC machine. I will choose the best one, because the max jitter should be as low as possible. But in first test, without stress, it seems that it's a very good result for this PC. And now that I want to share with you is the new, so you go in the CNC, then you go in a CNC config picker, and you can choose all the kind of thing you want to test, and we will test the GMO Capi. So you go down here, click on the plus, and you have multiple choice. So the first one is a good one. I will say OK. OK. So Linux CNC is now starting with the proper interface. So here it is. Let me full screen, and it is GMO Capi. So when you are in this stage, so a lot of setup is not done, the limits are not done, and zero are not done, so everything needs to be done for this thing, but it's pretty a good thing. The first thing you have to click on the stop machine, and then you have to start the machine on and off. So now you can start with the machine, you can move it. So X plus, you can see on the screen here, zoom a little bit, X plus, Z minus, so you go down, Y minus, and so on and so on. And so this kind of a pretty nice interface could also be used with a touch screen. So the work I have to do now is to find a proper driver for this screen, and to think how to set up it to use it as a touch screen. So when you're on a machine, it's more easy to use this touch screen here, switching on the correct button than typing on the keyboard. So when you are making some machine operation, it's really a great thing to do. So thanks for watching. The next video I will show you how to install Linux CNC directly on the hard drive, because when you work with the DVD, it's quite flexible, and you lost configuration files and so on. So the best thing is to work on a hard drive. So it will be the purpose of the next video. So thanks for watching.